Hello and welcome to this video on the economic principles behind the illicit drug market. In this video, we will be discussing the fundamental concepts of supply and demand, price elasticity, and market efficiency and how they apply to the illegal drug trade. The illicit drug market is a complex and controversial subject, and it's important to understand the economic principles that drive its operation. By examining these concepts, we can gain a better understanding of how the market functions and the factors that influence its behavior. So whether you're a student, researcher, or simply interested in the topic, this video is for you. Let's dive in and explore the economic principles behind the illicit drug market. Supply and demand is one of the most fundamental concepts in economics. It refers to the relationship between the amount of a product or service that is available and the amount that consumers are willing to purchase. In the case of the illicit drug market, supply and demand plays a crucial role in determining the price and availability of drugs. For example, if there is a high demand for a particular drug, but the supply is limited, the price will increase. Conversely, if the supply of a drug is high and the demand is low, the price will decrease. One real-life example of supply and demand in the illicit drug market is the opioid crisis in the United States. In recent years, there has been a significant increase in the demand for prescription painkillers, leading to a corresponding increase in the supply of illegally manufactured and distributed opioids. This has led to a surge in drug-related deaths and a rise in the black market price of these drugs. It's important to note that supply and demand can also be influenced by various external factors, such as government policies and law enforcement efforts. For example, the implementation of strict drug policies and increased drug enforcement can reduce the supply of drugs, leading to higher prices and a potentially more violent black market. In conclusion, supply and demand is a critical factor in the operation of the illicit drug market, and a deep understanding of this concept can provide valuable insights into the functioning of this complex and controversial market.
Are you looking to take your business skills to the next level? The Art of Strategy, Business Lessons from the Most Notorious Bosses in TV and Film has everything you need to know to achieve success in the fast-paced world of business. Learn from the cunning and strategic moves of some of the most memorable bosses in TV and film, like Scarface, Tony Soprano, Gus Fring, Prop Joe, and Stringer Bell. Discover how these iconic characters navigated through complex and challenging situations and how you can apply their lessons to your own career. Get your copy of The Art of Strategy, Business Lessons from the Most Notorious Bosses in TV and Film today and start your journey to becoming a successful and effective business person. Check out the link in the description. Purchase this ebook at a one-time exclusive price.
Price elasticity is a measure of the responsiveness of demand to changes in price. In other words, it indicates how much the quantity demanded of a product changes in response to a change in its price. In the context of the illicit drug market, price elasticity is an important factor that influences the demand for drugs. For example, if the demand for a drug is price elastic, meaning that a small change in price leads to a significant change in the quantity demanded, then the price of the drug will be highly sensitive to changes in supply and demand. One real-life example of price elasticity in the illicit drug market is the fluctuation in the price of cocaine. Due to the nature of the drug and the manner in which it is produced, the supply of cocaine can be highly variable, leading to significant changes in its price. Additionally, changes in law enforcement and drug policies can also affect the supply and demand for cocaine, leading to fluctuations in its price. It's important to note that the degree of price elasticity can vary greatly between different drugs and even between different regions, making it a complex and dynamic factor in the illicit drug market. In conclusion, price elasticity is a crucial aspect of the illicit drug market that has a significant impact on the demand for drugs and the overall functioning of the market. Understanding this concept is essential for a complete understanding of the economics behind the illegal drug trade. Market efficiency is the concept that prices in a market accurately reflect all available information about a product or service. In an efficient market, prices are set based on the balance between supply and demand, and prices will quickly adjust to reflect changes in market conditions. In the case of the illicit drug market, market efficiency is a complex and controversial subject. Due to the illegal nature of the trade and the lack of regulation, the market for drugs is often highly inefficient. For example, the price of drugs can be influenced by a variety of factors that are not related to supply and demand, such as the risk of arrest or the quality of the product. One real-life example of market efficiency in the illicit drug market is the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on drug prices. The pandemic has caused disruptions in the supply chain for drugs, leading to significant changes in their availability and price. In an efficient market, prices would quickly adjust to reflect these changes, but in the case of the illicit drug market, prices can be slow to respond, leading to inefficiencies in the market. In conclusion, market efficiency is a critical aspect of the illicit drug market that has a significant impact on the prices and availability of drugs. Despite the challenges posed by the illegal nature of the trade, it is important to understand this concept and its role in the functioning of the illicit drug market. In conclusion, the illicit drug market is a complex and controversial subject that is influenced by a variety of economic principles, including supply and demand, price elasticity, and market efficiency. By examining these concepts, we can gain a deeper understanding of the functioning of the illegal drug trade and the factors that influence its behavior. From the opioid crisis to the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, it's clear that the illicit drug market is a dynamic and evolving market that is shaped by a multitude of factors. In the end, it is important to approach the topic of the illicit drug market with an open mind and a willingness to explore the complex interplay of economic, social, and political factors that shape this market. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to share them in the comments section below.